This video will introduce you to searching CINAHL using subject headings. There are several reasons to use subject headings. Consider the word cold. It has multiple uses and is often used for the common cold and the condition of temperature. When performing a keyword search, a database will give you results for both meanings. It can't distinguish how a word is being used. There are also cases where the same concept can be described with two different terms. A heart attack is also sometimes called a myocardial infarction in the literature. The usefulness of subject headings lies in the fact that it's organized around concepts, not words. With a subject heading, you can find all the articles about the concept heart attack, regardless of what words the author uses to talk about it. Subject headings are controlled vocabulary, which help pull together synonyms as well as variant spellings, such as plural and British versus American spelling. Subject headings are created by subject experts and are assigned by a person, not a computer, to describe the content of a paper. Let's look at our sample question again. In order to find the subject heading for a term, type in your search, then check the box above it that says Suggest Subject Heading. This will take you to a list of potential subject headings. In this case, we're looking for the intervention disposable diapers. The closest to this seems to be diapers. Before we go on, let's use the heading of the unrelated subject heading exercise to look at this in more depth. The expert always indexes to the most specific term available. If you cannot find the subject heading you are looking for, find the closest broader term for it. Now let's turn our attention back to our sample question. If you're unsure what a subject heading refers to, look at the scope note. It's a good idea to get in the habit of looking at the scope note to confirm that your subject heading means what you think it means. Once you've made a selection, click on the word itself. Subject headings are arranged in a hierarchy of concepts called a tree. Seeing the tree allows you to think about the concept and its place in relationship to others. In some cases, like this one, the term can appear in two different branches. This simply means it's related to multiple broader concepts, and choosing either will not influence the results you get. Click the box to the left of the subject heading. A list of subheadings will appear on the right. Subheadings are qualifiers that can be added to the concept to specify an aspect of your search. You don't have to use subheadings, but they can help you refine your search if necessary. You can scroll down to the bottom of the blue box to check for any additional notes. Here you'll see when the subject heading was first used. Subject heading use can change over time, and you may need to use a different term to recover earlier records. Here you will also see notes about any synonyms, such as alternate uses in British English. When you are ready, click the green Search Database button to see your results. You can see your search history here in the Search History box. The subject heading will appear with an MH prefix. This stands for medical heading. That's all for this video. We will explore subject heading searches further in the next video.